Hello friends, welcome back to Python series. In this video, I am going to explain about Python data types and what is mutable and immutable data type. Python data types are used to define the type of a variable. In other words, data type determines the type of value stored in a variable. Variables can store data of different types, such as numeric, string, list, etc. Different data types in Python. Python data type are mainly divided into two types, mutable, immutable data types. So first one is mutable data type. Mutable means changeable. So we can add new items to it, or we are able to delete any items after objects have been created. Next one is immutable data type. Immutable means unchangeable. So we cannot add new items to it, or we are not able to delete any items after objects have been created. Mutable data types are list, set, and the dictionary, whereas immutable data type are numeric, string, and the tuples. Getting data types in Python. Type function. We can use type function to get data type of any object in Python. Here x equal to 20, print type x, you will get class int. Y equal to 5.2, print type y, you will get class float. You can see in Python ID how we can get data type of any object like string, integer, float, list, tuple, set, and the dictionary. Let's start with mutable data type. The first one is list. Here you can get the answer why lists are called mutable data type. You can see a list of color is created with color red, green and the blue. When we print this list, you will get red, green and blue in the output. I have assigned color orange in index 0. When we print this list, after assigning color orange in index 0, you will get orange, green and blue in the output. You can see here, red color change into orange color in index 0. This means list is mutable, means changeable. You can also check whether object is mutable or not by printing object ID. ID remains same after adding or deleting items in mutable data type. Next one is set, and here I am going to show you why set is mutable. I am able to add new item 15 in the set. So set is changeable after its creation. Next mutable data type is dictionary, and we are able to add new item in it. So it is also mutable. Now I am going to show you how integer is immutable data type. You can see here object ID change when we try to assign new value to x. A new object is created. The value of x is not changed. So we can say that integer is immutable or not changeable. Next immutable data type is string. When we try to add something in string, it will throw type error. str object does not support item assignment. That's why string is immutable or unchangeable. Last immutable data type is tuple. You will get type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment when you try to add something in the tuple. So tuple is also immutable. Thanks for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new video.